If you're learning to code, you've probably heard terms like API, Backend, or pull request, and felt totally lost. In this video, I'll explain 10 essential terms you'll hear every day in programming, in plain, simple English. 1. Front-end. This is what the user sees and interacts with. It includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all the buttons, forms, and animations in your browser. 2. Backend. This is the part of the app that runs on the server. It handles the database, authentication, APIs, and more. You might use languages like Python, Node.js, or C# for this. 3. API. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is how two programs talk to each other. For example, your weather app calls an API to get the latest forecast. REST and GraphQL are common styles of APIs. 4. Git. Git is a version control system. It keeps track of all your changes in code so you can go back, compare, or collaborate with others. You'll often use Git with GitHub or GitLab. 5. Repository. A repository, or repo, is basically a folder that holds your code and its history. Think of it as your project's home. 6. Framework. A framework is like a blueprint for building software. It gives you a structure to follow. Examples are React, Angular, Django, and Laravel. 7. Library. A library is a set of pre-written code that you can use to make your job easier. Lodash, NumPy, and jQuery are good examples. Unlike a framework, you stay in control of the flow. 8. Bug. A bug is any kind of problem in your code. It might be something small like a typo or a complex issue that breaks everything. 9. Commit. A commit is a snapshot of your code. It's how Git tracks your progress. Every commit has a message that explains what changed and why. 10. Pull request. A pull request, or PR, is what you make when you want to add your changes to the main project. This is often used in team projects or open source work, and it lets others review your code before merging. These aren't just definitions. They're the language of your future career. You'll hear and use these terms every day as a developer. So don't just memorize them, understand them, use them in context, and teach them to others. Subscribe for more tech terms explained in simple English, only here on DevLingo.